Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm just going to get straight to it. This is a quick analysis and summary of my sketch from this page. As usual, I have utilised, sorry about that, windy as anything, geometric and observational methods along with good speed creating the feedback loop. This is information that's really key to how you improve, how you keep on track and how you keep yourself accountable for things that you're doing that you may not actually realise, but on an analysis you actually see where things are possibly going not in your favour or what you want to repeat to create better results. So first one, I done this in 3 minutes 10 seconds, 2 minutes 40 and 3 minutes. If you're new here, I have been sketching this kind of format for about, is it 2 months now? 2-3 months maybe, and I've been gradually reducing the time. Initially it was about 5 minutes, then it was down to 4 minutes, now it's down to 3 minutes, and then next week I am going to try and get it down to 2 minutes at the very most. If you have any questions, especially on the techniques and the learning methods, please contact me and I'll get back to you. Thanks guys.